I hope you all are safe and sound at home. So, today we will continue with our studies. So, today we will discuss the topic why power sharing is desirable. So, this is the question we have, why power sharing is desirable. So, students, power sharing is desirable because of the two reasons. The first reason is prudential reason, and the second reason we have is moral reason. So, first of all, we will study what is prudential reason. So, the prudential means it is based on prudence or on careful calculation of gains and losses. Prudential decisions are usually contrasted with decisions based purely on moral considerations. So, when we talk about prudential reason, it reduces the chances of conflicts between various social groups. So, if the power sharing is done, then it reduces the conflicts between the various social groups. So, conflicts. So, if the power is not shared properly or equally with every social groups, then there will be conflicts, and as we know, due to conflicts there will be lot of violence and political instability, and also there will be lot of tensions and the conflicts. Thus, we can say power sharing is good way to ensure political instability. So, we can conclude and say that power sharing will bring out better outcomes. That means power has to be shared with every group equally, whether any group is in minority or in majority does not matter. Power sharing has to be done equally for everyone in the country. And the second reason we have is moral reason. So, when we talk about the moral reason, that means the power sharing is the basic spirit of democracy. So, let me give you a small example. If I say that my country is a democratic country, and if the power sharing is not done equally in my country, then I cannot say that my country is democratic, because the power sharing is the basic spirit of democracy, and if it is not done, then how can I say that my country is a democratic country? So, and in democratic country, that people have a right to be consulted on how they have to be governed. This is also the very important reason why we need to have power sharing in the country. That means people have the full right to elect the rulers on behalf of themselves, because in a democratic country they can choose their own leaders that they want to be governed. That's why we can conclude and say that moral reasons of power sharing emphasize the very act of power sharing as valuable. That means power sharing is very valuable in a democratic country. And the power sharing is very much emphasized in a democratic country, because it is very valuable act, and people can live with great happiness. So, today we will study only this much. The next topic we will discuss in the next class, that is forms of power sharing, and we will conclude with that topic our chapter power sharing. So, for time being, thank you and have a nice day.